Hello and welcome to Wietzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. All right, welcome back to the channel. So we got some progress here. So I ended up taking my auger and drilled up augered out some holes, and I built this fence. So these are just leftovers from tops of some skinny logs that I had cut up. Made them all 4 foot, cut some wedges in there, or some edges, I guess you could say. So then those planks right there are 16-foot pieces that I did with a chainsaw mill, and I ended up getting 4 of them. So in between these, we're just going to put some chicken wire. So something I just thought of, something decorative, made them strong so they could, and then I cemented those into the ground. I just used some Quikrete and got them in there. So there's some stable posts right now. Probably overkill, but that's what professional homeowners do, over-engineer. So I got the beds all filled up. They've been settling for about 4 or 5 days now. I got some farmyard blend that I'm going to use because we got our plants. Hopefully start planting today. And then my roll of chicken wire. So we'll put it in between these sections right here, which are 4 by 8 exactly. So, which will be really nice. So my objective is just to keep the deer out, and then over the top we may put some bird netting. I might set a post in the middle real tall and then run everything to that. And then in the front here I got a 6-inch auger. I got some smaller logs, so we're going to put a gate, a nice little swing gate, something decorative. I want this to stay here forever, so that's the inside. So you can see that they were cut that whole distance, 16 foot. So if you got a good chainsaw mill, go for it. I didn't. So it took a lot of work. There's our rain barrel. That's where we're going to put that in the back. So for these grooves over here, I ended up using hammer and chisel. As you can see, looks like a woodpecker was over here, but that's the way it goes when you use this. So I don't think I'm going to do that this time. So I got an idea for the other side, and I got them marked, and I don't have to go very deep, but I'm going to use the chainsaw on this one. So you can see in here and here, this is the beam that I cut on this side is 8 inches wide. So I'm only going to go about inch and a half deep. I don't want to go too much farther. And then I'm going to auger that out and then clean up this. There's a lot of stone inside there, but I'm just going to clean up this dirt and then let that grow. Leave the stone on top. It's good drainage, but it's a lot of work. So let's see some chainsaw skills here. Wish me luck. Gotta get most of these out and get that as smooth as possible. We should have a nice shoulder for that to rest on. Sweet. Well, all right, so looks like chainsaw was the way to go. Didn't do it perfect, but that's just the way it is. I'm not a chainsaw carver. I'm a professional homeowner. So now, oh man, I'm out of breath. So we're gonna I'm just gonna cheat a little. I'm gonna clamp this up there. And these boards that I cut out, or these slabs, they're not real straight. So I just want them to get up there the best I can. So I'm gonna clamp it here, go down to the next post, clamp another one, and then put it into place. Can't really make them level, so I'm gonna eyeball them. And then when they're clamped, I'm gonna mark them, take it off, and then cut the rest of these. So as soon as I get it marked, I'll set up the video or the camera, and then we'll show cutting the rest of these, and then we'll mount this bad boy up. See how well that works. So let's see if I get one up here anyway. Oh yeah, fits like a glove. There, a little bit tall. But I'll just clamp this into place. Get that held in there, nice and tight. Probably go this way. There we go. Now I'll set these up on the other side. Clamp those ones in place, get them as level as I can, and we should be good to go. All right, let's see what else we can do. Okay, so here's how I cheated this one, since these are bent pretty good. Not the greatest of straightness, I guess. So, which is fine. It gives it really good, cool character, and I like it, and that's all that matters. So, I just clamped them in place, and then I just marked them. So I'm gonna take those down and redo, or use the chainsaw again, just real fast, and cut those steps in there, notches, and then we'll get some deck screws and put them in. All right, let's see how this works. So that worked out excellent. So now we're just going to take our deck screws and we're just going to fasten it to this log or this notch, and we should be golden. So there we go. All right, let's go here. This way. Voila. All right, let's do the end. Take that clamp off. We got a bottom base. All right, let's try the tops. Saw is a little heavy, so let's see if I run out of energy. Oh boy. Good. Looks like it's a little slump down here, but let's look at it from this angle. No, it's not bad. Just need a notch. All right. Whew, that saw is heavy. guess that's what you get for cutting at a high level. But this is good. So you got everything flush. I hit this a little bit. That's okay. You got everything flush, everything mounted. So now we're gonna work on getting that chicken wire up just in these sections here, so on both sides. And then after that, we'll start designing the fence or the front gate. Oh man, I'm tired. Things getting heavy. So time to get a drink of water. All right, so here's our progress. I'm gonna hand hold this camera here. So we've been pretty busy. So as you can see, we got the side fences up for the deer fence, because these things are just gonna destroy my new garden. So we ended up getting some mulch. These things turned out really good. So nice and straight, they're strong, they're tight. So we're gonna protect the sides with that. And then we just got done planting. So we're just using straws and mulch. And hopefully that holds a lot more of the moisture. And we just checked the soil as we were planting this stuff, and it's soaking wet. So it's draining nice though too. So really good. So in the back we got up front here, we got onions, different types, and garlic. And then we got some beets. And 4 rows of radishes that we just put in there. We got some space here that we're still gonna do some stuff. We ended up getting some Brussels sprouts. Made this trellis out of a frame I found in our woods. So gotta trim that side up there a little bit. And those are snow peas, or sugar snap peas, I believe. So those will be great. Those should just vine right up that chicken wire right there. And then we had peppers, and I came up with an idea for a little greenhouse. So we were very unsuccessful with peppers out here a few years ago. Not out in this space, but out in town. So I just saw this online. I said, well, let's give this a shot. So we'll use this greenhouse as Tupperware bin, or whatever you want to call it, Rubbermaid, Sterilite, whatever. I had a couple of those. Then we got 2 different types of tomatoes. Oops, there's my finger. So we got those with the tomato houses on them. And then we got some other little bush tomatoes down here, Red Robins. I forget the 2 brands of those. I have to look those up. So then we got cucumbers, so some gherkins. So those should take off and fill this area. And then we really like salads, so we went all out with some salad. So this worked really, really well. And these guys are looking good. We got some spinach, and then up front we got some strawberries. So all in all, this is pretty good. So, and then we got 2 lazy dogs. Look at this. Jeez Louise. Supervisors. So, and then I'm gonna make a temporary gate in the front and in the back for this stuff tonight, because I'm still gonna drill some holes here and here, and then put some more chicken wire between those. And then this spot right here will be a swing gate, and then some more chicken wire to that post over there. And then probably the same in the back, because I can still reach back there with the auger. So there you have it. There it is. So yeah, look at this guy. Doggy Cam. What's up, Leo? Lazy butt. Chasing eagles all day. So there it is. So good progress. It's getting better. Soil's good. Moisture retention is good. So we'll see what we can do. And we'll just keep updates. All right. Thanks for watching.